In this video, we're going to cover how to use the Sony Hearing Control app to make adjustments to the sound in your Sony over-the-counter hearing aids. To start making adjustments, make sure your over-the-counter hearing aids are currently connected to your smartphone, and you've completed the setup process. Note that if you are using your CRE E10 over-the-counter hearing aids, Bluetooth must be on for the app to communicate with your hearing aids. Starting off with your basic settings, you have volume and sharpness. By moving the sliders back and forth or pressing the plus and minus buttons, you can increase or decrease the volume and sharpness of sound within your hearing aids. For some users, adjusting the volume setting on the control screen might not feel like enough. To make permanent volume changes or to achieve a stronger effect than the volume control on the control screen, go to the tuning menu and select Adjust Main Volume. Here, you can calibrate your overall hearing aid volume to a comfortable level for day-to-day activities, including adjusting the volume of each ear individually. During this process, you'll have a conversation or listen to audio from a TV while adjusting the volume of each ear so that you can find the most comfortable volume level. Sharpness refers to the high frequencies coming through in your hearing aids. If you're having trouble hearing speech, increase the sharpness to make speech clear. This brings out the endings and beginnings of words like the S, F, and TH sounds. When you first wear hearing aids, things in your environment may sound a little sharp, like running water or crinkling paper, so you may want to turn sharpness down situationally. Just remember to not turn down the sharpness too much, or speech may become muffled. If you have CRE E10s, your main screen will also feature a directional focus control. Here, you can choose a specific direction from where you'd like to pick up sound. When you select front, you can also expand or reduce the directional focus from right in front of you to all around you. To further customize your sound, you can select tuning, then fine-tune your sound. Here, you can make detailed adjustments to your hearing aids based on a variety of different issues. You can adjust based on loudness if all sounds are too loud or too soft. You can adjust based on your own voice if your voice sounds unnatural, distorted, or hollow. You can adjust based on other voices if they are hard to understand, unclear, or unnatural sounding. You can adjust based on sound quality if all sounds are too dull or too sharp. You can adjust based on audio feedback if your hearing aids make a whistle or chirping sound. Keep in mind that it's completely normal to take up to 30 days to adjust to new sounds from your hearing aids, so you may want to wait to fine-tune your sound. If you ever want to reset, you can always select Restore Initial Settings back on the tuning page. If you want to recreate your entire hearing profile from scratch, select Recreate Hearing Profile to go through the initial setup process again. The Sony Hearing Control app also has many tips that can help you out in everyday use. Check out the Support tab to see our tips to get started with your Sony over-the-counter hearing aids. To view the other settings, select the menu in the top left of the app, then Settings, then Hearing Aid Settings. Through this menu, you can set up new hearing aids. If you are using the E10, you can also adjust the notifications you receive when your battery is low and how long it takes to turn on your hearing aids when removing them from the charger. If you have any issues with making adjustments or have other questions about your over-the-counter hearing aids, check out the resources on our website by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.